Hello, dear children of the city school. I welcome you all to our literacy class. As always, I would want you to ask your parents to sit with you so that they can help you. And the topic for today is A till E. Here come the objectives. Children will be able to sequence letters A till E and identify letter sounds A till E. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to tell you what is sequencing. In English, there are 26 letters from A till Z. When we arrange the letters in order, that is called sequencing. So today, we'll sequence the letters A till E. For this, I will show you the letter and you'll identify the sound, and afterwards I will ask you the sequence. Here we go. Did you identify the letter? Okay, can you tell me its sound? Ah, well done. B, K, D, good job. E, excellent. Okay, so now you know it. Let's say it in sequence. Okay, so what's the first sound? Correct, it's A. Okay, what comes after A? Good job. B. What comes after B? Excellent. K comes after B. Okay, what's next? D. Well done. And the last one is E. Awesome. Challenge time. I will show you some pictures and you have to identify the word, but then you have to identify the missing sound in the word. Are you ready? Okay, let's start. So, is this boy thin? No, he's not thin. He is fat. Yes, he is fat. Okay, so now we have to figure out the missing sound. Can you guess it? Yes, A is missing. Say it with me. A, T, fat. Good job. What is this? Yes, it's a bed. Which sound is missing? Correct. B is missing. Say it with me. B, E, D. Bed. Okay, so this is a taxi, but it has another name. Can you guess its other name? Good job if you guessed it. It's a cab. Which sound is missing? Correct. K is missing. K, A, B, cab. We see a crayon over here. What's the color of the crayon? Good job. It's red. So which sound is missing over here? E, D. Red. Good job. The sound missing over here is D. What is this? Correct. It's an egg. Can you guess the missing sound over here? Well done. The missing sound is E. Can you say it with me? E, G. Egg. Well done, everybody. Here's the wrap up. We have learned to sequence letters A till E and identify letter sounds A till E. Now it's your turn to do your worksheet number 1. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you. Bye-bye.